Hi, welcome back to the section. This is type 2 problems. In type 1 problems, we seen that checking for the safety of the section. In second type of problem, we are going to design a beam section. So let us look into the example. Design a beam of effective span 6 meter subjected to an UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter along with 100 kilonewton load. The beam is laterally supported. The thickness of the wall is 230 mm. First, we will go for load calculation. UDL on the beam is given as 10 kilonewton per meter. Assume self weight of the beam is equal to 1 kilonewton per meter. Total it will be 11 kilonewton per meter. Therefore, factored load or ultimate load is given by 1.5 times of the working load. You will get 16.5 kilonewton per meter. This is ultimate UDL. So, ultimate point load is given by the 1.5 times of, it is given as in the given problem, point load is given as 100. So, 1.5 into 100 you will get 150 kilonewton. This is for UDL, this is for point load. Then it is a simply supported beam, UDL is acting and the point load is acting. UDL value, the factored value is 16.5 kilonewton per meter and the point load value is 150 kilonewton. The total length is 6 meter, so 3 meter on either side. Now calculate VU and MU. VU is given by WL divided by 2 plus for this one it is given by W by 2. If it is a UDL, reaction will be WL by 2, for point load it is W by 2. So, you are going to get the values 124.5 kilonewton. I will write the formula here. VU is equal to WL by 2 plus W by 2. This is for UDL, this is for point load. Then MU is given by WL square divided by 8 plus W into L divided by 4. This is for moment. For UDL it is WL square by 8. For point load it is WL by 4. So, substitute the values, you are going to get VU and MU value 124.5, 299.2. Okay. Once you get VU and MU, nothing but load calculation is over. We are going to calculate plastic modulus required, that is given by ZP is equal to MD into gamma m naught divided by beta into Fy. It is given in the page number 53. ZP is given by MD, we are going to, whatever the MU value we calculated, we are going to take that value only. Gamma m naught is 1.1, beta we are going to take it as 1, Fy is 250. You will get 1316.5 into 10 power 3 millimeter cube or 1316.5 centimeter cube. Then increase the above value by 20% approximately. So, we need to multiply this value by 1.2, you will get 1580 centimeter cube. Therefore, from IS 800 page number 138, we may try ISWB 450 at 79.4 kg per meter based upon this value. Go to the page number 138 and check it and select the section. Here I selected ISWB 450 at 79.4 kg per meter. Now, once you selected the section, then from the steel table you will get all the values like H, width of the flange, thickness of the flange, then thickness of the web, radius at the root. Then ZP value for the selected section is 1760.59 centimeter cube. Then for ZE values, that is ZXX is given by 1558.1 centimeter cube. IXX is given by 35057.6 centimeter to the power of 4. Now, once it is over, Now we did the load calculation, we calculated ZP, then we increased it by 20%, then we will go to the IS 800 page number 138. Based upon the value, we are going to select the section. For the selected section, we are going to write down all the values from the steel table. Then we will move on to the second step, check for deflection. Permissible deflection is given by span by 250. Span is 6 meter, that is 6000 millimeter divided by 250, 24 mm. Assume Young's modulus of steel is equal to 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. Therefore, calculate the delta value. Delta value is given by, for UDL 5 by 384 WL to the 4 of 4 divided by EI, plus for point load WL cube divided by 48 EI. I already gave these formulas, just you need to remember. Now, the E and I value are common, so take it outside. Whichever the values are common, you take it outside and substitute all the values. And while substituting, please remember, for W and W you need to take working load, not the ultimate load. So, substitute the values. Delta value we got it as 9.06, permissible deflection is 24. So, actual deflection is less than the permissible deflection, therefore, our design is safe. The load for deflection check should be in working, not ultimate, that is small w and capital W values. Then we will go to the check for shear. Design shear strength Vd is given by 0.6 into Fy divided by root 3 gamma m naught into Av. This Vd should be greater than Vu. This formula is given in page number 59, where Av is the shear area, H into Tw. So, you are going to get 4140 millimeter square. Therefore, Vd is given by, substitute all the values, 325.94, which is greater than Vu. Therefore, our design is safe. Check for shear is over. Then check for moment of resistance. See, further things, the check and all those things, it is same as the previous problem only. Check for moment of resistance. First calculate B by Tf and D by Tw. So, B is nothing but half width, Bf divided by 2. Then D is nothing but H minus 2 Tf. Substitute the values, you are going to get 6.49 and 45.56, and compare with the section classification, that is plastic, compact, semi compact and slender, that is this table. Compare here, compare from the starting values. Here the B by Tf calculated is less than 9.4 and D by Tw is less than 84. So, the section is plastic. Hence, the section is plastic, therefore, for plastic section beta value is equal to 1. Therefore, design bending strength MD is given by the formula, substitute all the values, you will get it as 400.13 kilonewton meter, which is greater than Mu 299.2. Therefore, our design is safe. Then, we need to check 1.2 Ze into Fy divided by gamma m naught. In the specification, we seen that if it is a simply supported beam, the MD value, design bending strength should be less than 1.2 Ze into Fy divided by gamma m naught. So, take this value for simply supported beam and calculate. So, Ze we come to know already from the ready-made values for the selected section. Fy is 250, gamma m naught is 1.1, you will get it as 424.93 kilonewton meter. Therefore, compare the MD and this value, that is how much we got, 400.13 MD, and this value we got it as 424. So, MD is less than 1.2 ZE into Fy divided by gamma m naught, therefore, our design is safe. Once check for moment of resistance is over, then we will go for check for web crippling and web buckling. That's all for this problem. Thank you.